Good day everyone. Good morning, Sir Leo Arcayos. In this subject, marine environment. Today I will explain the MARPOL Annex 2 noxious liquid substances carried in bulk. So, kining MARPOL Annex 2 usa ni nga international rules help to prevent pollution. Makatabang ni siya para ma-prevent atong pollution. MARPOL Annex 2 help prevent pollution from noxious liquid substances or NLS carried in bulk by ships. To prevent pollution, ships must follow proper loading, handling, unloading, and tank cleaning procedures. Noxious liquid substances should not be discharged directly into the sea. Any residue must be transferred to approved reception facilities at port. Ships must also keep cargo record book to record all operations involving NLS. Crew members should follow safety procedures, inspect tanks and pipelines regularly, and ensure that pollution prevention equipment is working properly. By following these procedures, ships can reduce marine pollution and help to protect the marine environment. So, dako kayo ning tabang sa mga seafarer para ma-prevent ang pollution o maprotektuhan naton ang marine environment. So that's all for today. Thank you.